Colombia is currently developing a management plan for chemical substances of industrial use, thus preventing the environmental and health risks associated with the use of these substances. The management plan covers the following substances: new and existing chemical substances, the domestically produced and imported substances, pure substances in homogeneous mixtures, substances of environmental concern, sanitary MRF substances. However, those chemicals that already have a management policy, such as pharmaceuticals and pesticides, are excluded. The key elements of the management plan are gathering and storage of information, risk management derived from hazard assessment, and risk management, the inspection, supervision, and control by the competent authorities, the evaluation of the results of the program in order to take decisions that led to reduce or eliminate risks, both health and the environment. The gathering and storage of information is the starting point of the program. Initially, the updated information from the National Inventory of Chemical Substance will be used. In the future, this information will be gathered and stored in a systematic way through a record that will start operating in 2017 and that will become a prerequisite for the marketing of such kind of substances. In the registry, manufacturers and importers provide information on the assessment of hazards and risks of the chemical substances that exceed the thresholds for each one of them. As for the risk management, this comprises three components: evaluation of hazards, identification of physical dangers, health and environmental issues derived from chemical use will take place through the implementation of the Globally Harmonized System, GHS, risk assessment, which will be made based on the evaluation of the hazards and exposure to chemicals according to its use. Risk management, which poses actions focused on communication, exposure control, prevention, and risk reduction. The information required from danger and risk evaluation provided by manufacturers and importers will follow the principles of good laboratory practice methodologies from the OECD. Meanwhile, inspection, monitoring, and control is exercised by the competent authority once the environmental and health authorizations are established. Finally, the evaluation of the results of the program will initially collect the information to enable future action to take the necessary measures in order to control risks towards the environment and human health associated with chemicals for industrial use. This assessment results may lead to future measures such as restriction, elimination, or substitution of certain substances from the market, or even from the promotion of new research programs for these chemical substances use. The main areas responsible for program management of industrial chemical use are: environment sector, responsible for verifying environmental requirements needed for the marketing of SQUI. Health sector, managing verification requirements mandated from the health sector for the marketing of SQUI. The environment and health sector will be responsible for the inspection, supervision, and control in common accordance with its powers. These efforts will support the Toxicology Center.
Todos por un nuevo país. Paz, equidad, educación.